Welcome to this short video on the 3D offset command, which is part of the new Kobe toolkit for AutoCAD. On the screen here I have a 3D polyline, and I'm just going to list this polyline. Select the polyline. You'll see here I've got different elevations. I got 90, 94, and 118. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this. So what I want to do is I'm going to offset that, and I want to offset it at an elevation when I offset it a certain distance. So to do this, we're going to come up here to the Kobe toolkit for AutoCAD. We're going to come over here to the 3D offset command. I'm going to select it. And on the command line it says specify your horizontal offset. So I'm going to say 25 feet. That's good. I'm going to press enter. And then it wants to know what kind of a vertical offset do you want. So I'll say let's go up an elevation of 5. Alright, so I'm going to select the polyline now. I'm going to pick to my right hand side. And there I've offset that. Now I'm going to do a couple more over here, so I'm going to just press enter again. This time I'm going to say let's only go 5 feet at a vertical offset of 0, so I want it to be flat. I'm going to offset it in this direction. I'm going to press enter. I'm going to do this one more time, and this time I'm going to say let's do an offset of say 0.1 and a vertical offset of a -5. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to pick to the outside. Now we're going to see what I've done here. Escape. I'm going to select those. I'm going to right click here. I'm just going to go into what's called Object Viewer, and I'm going to look at these now in 3D. And here you can see the first one. I offset it here 25 feet over, 5 feet up. This one I've made it flat, but I've only gone out 5 feet, made it flat, and now I've gone out 0.1 and I've dropped it down the 5 feet. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this. And this now concludes this short video